What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Nice push for Gala. We're sitting at 0.01859. We're up 6% on the day. Market cap 853 million. 24 volume 120 million. So we could be looking at an overextended wave 3 within the wave 3 or 5 waves. Potentially that's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just to complete that wave 3 overextended to the 261.8, which is our bullish level, which is sitting at 0.01916. If we can break these highs and we're good to go for reversal, that's a 1, WXY into a 2. See you later. And we have this massive double bottom pattern, so if we can come up and break that neckline, we're good to go. We printed the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55 in the daily, which is a massive sign of strength, just as we did back here, and we saw a massive push to the upside. So hopefully we don't do this where we saw a bullish cross and we just rolled over again. We need to retest it and then see continuation, break that double bottom. That will take you up towards 0.047. We're looking for 30 to 60 cents in the bull run for Gala. I know there's a lot of FUD around Gala, but if we do get a proper alt season, then Gala will do extremely well in my opinion. And first, we just want to come up and break this bullish level. All right, gang. We're currently in 3 trades right now. They're all doing okay. If you want completely free access to my trading group, take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to BITUNIX. There's no strings attached. Once you've signed up, this is one of the top exchanges. Send me an email, I'll send you the link, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, including Gala. And my exact crypto trade setups. We're in 3 trades right now and almost 3,000 members talking all things crypto. Yours free. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX, take 30 seconds of your time. That's it. No strings attached. Send me an email. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.